Welcome back to the channel, everybody. In today's video, I'm gonna try to make this rod weave. It's been a long time trying to get this edited. It spent a long time. I'll show you. I'm gonna put it in the video up here right now. This is what it looked like when I uploaded the image, and then I had to edit all this, and this is a ton. It's 200, what is it, 205 wraps, turns with the thread, and it's 55 threads. I actually think I only need 54 because that bottom right there doesn't seem to have a thread in it, and it doesn't seem to have a thread in it on that one, so it's probably 54 threads, but the top does touch the top on the top, so thread 1 will be in use. We're going to see how this comes out. Instead of doing blue and green in this, I'm just going to put 55 blue threads on, and then I'm going to wrap it with that nice bright green we used in the mahi-mahi. The mahi-mahi is here underneath this jig. The shark we did is right here. The first mahi-mahi I did was here, but I ended up nicking it with the razor blade. I haven't epoxied those yet. My garage has been really cold, and my space heaters ain't working too good. So this is the left list I made for it, and it is a ton of a ton of wrapping. That's 5 pages. So I think it's gonna be, if it comes out looking like this, I mean it'll be a nice wrap. Well, I'm going to get the jig set up. Don't forget, this will probably be one of the ones I add to the members page. So I'm going to get the 55 threads cut and ready and get those on there. I'm not going to bore you. I showed you how I set it up on the other one. This one's going to be even easier to do because we're just putting the blue threads on. We're probably going to use this thread for the blue. And I got a nice bright green that we're going to wrap with. So we'll see how this works. Hopefully it comes out half as good as it looks on that thing. That thing took me, I worked on it a little bit each night for, I think, 3 nights, an hour maybe each night, maybe a little longer. I know there's at least 3 hours on it. But let me get this all cut, and we'll get this thing going. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you like this content. I said in my last video, 77 point something, I think it was 77.4% of my views are coming from non-subscribers. But since I've been telling you guys that's went down, it's not 77 no more, it's 71%. So thank you all the new ones for subscribing and watching the channel. I really appreciate that. It means a lot. And let me get this thing going, and we'll get right back into it. Okay, so that didn't take long. I don't know, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. It's only one color though. So that's pretty easy to do. So let's get right into it. I sent a few people the mahi wrap that wanted it. That was nice. I like seeing people. I like helping out other people. That's what this is all about. Helping each other out. Right. this wrap is taking way too long. I think there's 10 hours of footage here, so I'm not going to be able to fast forward through the whole thing and keep this video at a decent length. So I'm going to jump to different sections of it so you can see everything that's going on. So we got the STRI and P done here, and it is looking really good compared to the picture. So we're just gonna keep on moving forward here and see how this finished product looks. I'm really happy with the way it's coming out so far. Okay, as you can see here, we've got the striper and most of the striper fish done here. We're just finishing up the end of it. We're in the home stretch now. We just finished this life up, and it'll be a nice wrap, I think. Well, here's the finished product. I'm real pleased with it. It took forever to do. I hope you like it. If you're interested in this weave, I can send you the picture and the left list. Just hit me up on my email or social media. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, everybody. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. I'll see you in the next one.